how to you search for any video. So let's say for example this one. So you click, you just click on the video, then it will just pop up. It will float on the screen like that. So it will load just like you are watching a video on YouTube, but it will be on your phone screen and you'll be doing something else. So the video, you see the video playing, but for copyright reasons I can't play the video, so I have to pause it. So where is it? You can move it to whatever direction you want, and you come back, and you see it's still on your screen. You'll be doing something else. Maybe you search for something else, but still the video will be there, and you'll be watching it at the same time. Yeah. So that's what I have for you today. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you some other time.